Here I've got KAZAM Tornado 350, and let me show you how to set up date and time on the following device. So at the very beginning you have to open the settings, then scroll down, find and select date and time. And here you can either have an automatic date and time, and it can be network provided time or GPS provided time. Okay, or you can switch it off, so just click on off on the last option, and now you can set the date and also the time manually by yourself. Then you can switch off automatic time zone, just click on this switcher, and now you can select the time zone that you want to have. As you can see, your device has plenty of time zones, so you definitely will find here something suitable. For example, let me pick this one. And then you can also change the format of your clock, so you can either have an automatic 24-hour format clock, or you can switch it off and have 12-hour format clock. You can also change the format of your date, so as you can see you have several options here, and you should pick the one that you like mostly. So let me pick regional. So that's it. And then if you'd like to go back to default settings to automatic date and time, just click on automatic date and time and select network provided, and also click on automatic time zone. You can also go back to 24-hour format clock by tapping on this switcher. So that's it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.